Hello boys and girls, today we're going to do some more wireless hacking. This time we're going to do a web crack, WEP. We're going to do this with in particular no clients attached. When there are no clients attached, it is a more difficult attack and we have to create some packets and inject them back to make it happen for us. So let's get started right away. First of all, we must know we have injection capable card. I know you know how to do this, so I will not try and show you. But we can see in this case we have a hardware address of our Mac right here. Don't copy that down. And then we have Mon0 again. Mon0 is our favorite for hacking. And the IP has a special MAC address as well. We'll show you in a minute. Okay, first step, we want to capture some packets. We start arrow dump. We're going to write it out to the file IVs. We know the channel 6 is the AP is on, so we go ahead and specify that. Now you see our BSS ID for this particular AP, and you can see it says it's showing the WEP. We like the WEP, yes. Okay, now once we have that going, we have to fake authenticate to this particular AP. You can see that here. We have the L replay NG fake auth. 0 means how long to keep retrying to associate. For this AP, it's very simple. We zero it out. The -O tells us how many frames to send. 1, because it's a simple AP. SSID is WEP is good. You might have seen that. And then I've got my MAC address for my AP and my own MAC address, which you saw earlier, -H Mon0. We start the AR replay. We try to get successful authentication, and oh yes, we have it. It's very good so far, yes. Next part, we got to do this something with this. We authenticated to the AP. Now we're going to do the fragmentation attack. The other one you could try here is the chop attack, but we're going to use the fragmentation because we know it works with this particular card we're using in this particular laptop. Again, you can see the command is very simple. L replay minus fragment, and then I have the AP and my MAC address and the Mon0. It asks us if we want to use this packet. It's a fairly large packet, so I don't want to use that one. I want to use a smaller packet. What? I said yes. I meant no. Okay, we'll try it anyway. It just doesn't matter. Normally we want to take a small packet. Might have to start over again. Now once we have the packet, we actually can replay that packet. So we use the packet forge. Packet forge will actually create an ARP packet. You see the -ARP, -ARP. AP, again, MAC address, H, our address, and the -K, -L, we try and get the IP structure correct on when we inject this packet. In the very simple cases, we use the 255 masks. Then I use my fragment. I just got my XOR. This is keystream file XOR. That's what I just created with my fragmentation attack. Now I can use that and create a little packet that I will inject in a minute. This one's called forged. So we create the forged packet. Now it's in there. We'll go to the next one. You see I'm cheating a little bit. I can't type very fast. Governors don't type very fast. So interactive. We're going to do an interactive attack. -F for fast. -R says I want to replay this packet I just created called forged. Once I do this, watch what happens. I'm sending the packets. And now if I go back to my arrow dump, you can see the number of data frames will start going crazy. Look at that. We're injecting. Okay, now once we start the injection, we can go ahead and come into the final phase where we're actually going to crack the web key. Air crack, and what's the tap? I give it the cap file that I just created with my arrow dump, and then I tell it BSS ID number 1. I got 10,000 IPs. Look at this. We didn't even edit this yet. It might take a while. Sometimes this simple key will come out of this really quickly. If not, we're going to edit the file. Where's my key? There's my key. Decrypted 100% correct. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Can't end at 0. So that's it. We done cracked the key. Now you know everything about cracking web key with no clients attached. It's a wonderful thing. I hope you enjoyed this. Send your requests in. I'll do some other crazy web kind of thing.